Hello Internet, in this video I will show you how I reconfigured the motor mount of this old Model 10 contractor table saw from this to this. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a daily driver or a project car or a project around the home or the yard or the patio, a pallet project, Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Everything is do-it-yourself. Welcome to my channel. Now here's the presenting problem. The motor hangs out 1 foot on this contractor saw. That's how these old contractor saws were made, but it's very inconvenient. I have a very small garage and I have limited space, and so I'm going to reconfigure the motor mount so that it actually hangs the other direction and saves a lot of space. Okay, to remove the motor and the motor mount from the saw itself is quite easy. There are 2 set screws, Allen set screws here and here. So just find the correct Allen wrench and back those set screws off. Okay, have the motor upside down. So, there's just a very simple bracket to the motor, and it hinges right here. There's a pin. And there's another Allen set screw right here. It's the same size. You just need to back that out. And this pin will come out. As we pull it through, you can see the slot where the Allen set screw fits. And all we're going to do is move this from this position to the other side of the bracket and put the pin back in. There we go. Okay, so the pin is there. Tighten the Allen. It's a little bit more difficult angle here, but you can still tighten that Allen set screw. Okay, so it's just simply hinging on the other side of the bracket. Okay, we're just going to lift the motor and the motor mount and put it in position with this new configuration. And tighten the set screws. Okay, you can see that it's hanging considerably closer to the table, but we're not done yet. We're going to put the pulley on. It's going to pull the motor even further in. Okay, you can see that it doesn't hang over anymore, and it's quite a bit better. And I'm going to show you now closer the pulley. Okay, I'm on the back side for a better view here. So I bought a new belt for this application. I've already pre-adjusted it, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's a good 1.5 fingers on this back side between the belt and the frame right here. So it spins really well. And just looking at this, please note that the angle here, so it hangs towards the inside of the table rather than on the outside. Now, one other thing here is that this table saw came with a stand, a metal stand. I'm not using that anymore, so I'm suspending it, and I'll forever suspend it. I don't even have the stand anymore. And this modification would not be possible with that metal stand, but in this application, without the stand, it works really well. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do, I have this board, I have a screw on that one side, but there's still flex here. When the motor first starts up, it can pull this way. So I simply put this board across that will prevent that from happening. Okay, let's fire it up. Okay, that's it for this video. It's so nice to put the workbench all the way up against the wall and it actually fits. Now in the next video, and you can see the card here above, I'll show you how I designed dust collection for this modification with the motor mount. You have to do dust collection a little bit differently. I've never had dust collection on this, but I came up with a solution. And then in a third video, I'll be rebuilding this entire workbench. It's time for an upgrade. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but it's of great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.